Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on Hair by Ericka J's products. She is another YouTuber. She also has a very successful business. Everybody, so usually I'm all for glueless, but I bought some products and I decided to use adhesive. So I use adhesive for this 5x5 closure. This here right now I'm not offering. It's just a lot of maintenance, so I don't think it's it's gonna be good for my customers, so I'm not offering this at the time. But I just want to show you guys the melts. This, look, it ain't going nowhere. It ain't going nowhere. It ain't going nowhere. So I use Ericka J Hold Me Down adhesive. So before I use the adhesive, I use the Hold Me Down skin guard, and then I use 3 layers of the adhesive. After that, I went ahead and put my wrap, let my hair sit, and then for my baby hairs, I used her fluff stuff, which is just a styling foam. It's an alternative to like your Nairobi and stuff like that. So to remove the adhesive, I'm going to be using her adhesive remover, and it's called Laid Off. Now to get my curls defined, I actually use the Main Choice leave-in conditioner and some water. So this is my first time. I used her glue before and I used her foam, but I haven't used the skin guard or the remover before, so this is gonna be the first time. We'll be doing it on camera. It came with a sprayer. Let me get the sprayer. And then to tint my lace, let me get it. And then to tint my lace, I used the Wig Dealer lace tint in the color Honey. Now I usually use tailored crowns, but I decided to use that one, and honestly, so far that one is way more potent than tailored crown. So we'll see if I'm gonna do a little switcheroo. But this goes on here. So these are actually really cute. It has your directions on them, the ingredients, which is good, and then some warnings. That's actually good. It has it on all the products. I didn't even realize that. So that's really cute. All right, so I'm going to tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. So this smells like it has something like citrus in it, so you want to be careful, like don't let it drip down to your eye. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Wow. So I know I look crazy, but look, there's not much glue on the lace. It's really none. You're just seeing the reflection of the remover. Alright, so as I was saying, this is really just the remover. I'm just gonna wipe it with you guys so you can see how much glue will actually be left on your unit. Okay, so it's actually a little bit of glue. Not much, so it's not much glue at all. That's actually a really good amount. And then for my edges, there's a little glue here, so I'm just gonna spray some more. And then this is not my hair, don't worry. That's the hair from the wig. My hair is not like that. That's from the wig. Alright, so look. Everything is still good to go. No glue. No glue. No glue. No glue. No glue. No glue. So although I used the glue and the the adhesive and everything, this wig was originally made as a glueless unit because that's pretty much all I construct. I just decided to use the glue to go ahead and test out Ericka's product. So I'm just going to show you guys the glueless, no glue. I'll put it back on. So all my units have the elastic band inside. Bam, I don't even have to adjust it. Back on, baby. We're back. We're back. Period. Just like that. But yeah, Ericka J's products, definitely a thumbs up. I'm going to next, I will do a review on the Wig Dealer's product. She has some it's not like glue, it's like a spray, like a freeze spray type of thing. She has that. Just waiting for that to come back in stock, and then I'll go ahead and review her product as a whole. So you guys stay tuned. If you guys are wondering regarding this curl pattern, this is Jerry curl. It's like, it's very pretty, but it's just, like I said earlier, it's a lot of maintenance, a lot of upkeep. This is definitely a 2-day thing. I glued it down last night at like 2 o'clock in the morning, and I just took it off today, and it's about 8 o'clock the next day, 8 p.m. All right. Bye guys, have a good day.